Discover the breathtaking landscapes of Ghana. Imagine a place where golden savannahs meet lush rainforests and serene lagoons flow into sunlit beaches. Welcome to Ghana. This West African gem invites you to embark on a journey through its stunning, diverse geography, a world waiting to be explored. Feel the raw beauty of Ghana's northern savannahs. Endless golden grasslands stretch towards the horizon, home to vibrant wildlife like elephants and antelopes. Here, adventure is boundless, with rolling plains and majestic baobab trees painting a picture of Africa's vast wilderness. Step into Ghana's lush rainforests in the south. Walk beneath towering trees as beams of sunlight filter through the canopy. Discover rare birds, playful monkeys, and cascading waterfalls offering tranquility and an unforgettable connection to nature in this vibrant green paradise. Let Ghana's pristine beaches along the Atlantic calm your soul. Sunbathe on golden sands or explore the coastal villages. Then, journey to the Volta River basin, where glistening waters, serene lagoons, and dramatic landscapes captivate the spirit of any wanderlust traveler. Ghana's rich tapestry of landscapes isn't just a destination, it's an experience, a story waiting for you to live it. Dive into this land of beauty, culture, and adventure. Hit that Book Now button or add Ghana to your travel wish list today. Start your journey to a world of wonder.